guys, and welcome back. And today I'm trying to show you guys how to make these rainbow loom bracelets. I want to make rainbow looms. So yes, I already make one right here, but it's not it's too tiny for my hand, so I'm gonna use it for a keychain, of course. This cute little keychain. And I have so many of these that I cannot even count them. Okay, I'll just rid of this one, I guess. Oops. And we got the accessories. We got the accessories. We got the S to connect them. And we got this colors. But we got all of these beautiful colors. Whoa, magical. And these tools. And here is the tools. Here are the tools. And here is the stand, whatever this is. The biggest one, these little tiny ones looks like a U shape and it has a puppy, and this one has a puppy. And I think this one is easier because it has a tiny little spot to put there. So it doesn't, explode. But here it is. Here is the gigantic thingy. But anyway, here is the tools that we're just gonna drag the rubber band. Let me explain. Here we go. Here's the first one. And slip that in. And now, you just drag it in right here. If you don't, it's okay. You can just use your hands. If you don't have these things, these. Sorry guys, I keep gonna laugh. Okay, here is the tools, and if you don't have some tools, you can also use your hands like this into a U shape. Like this. I don't even know how to work with this thing, but I just work with these tiny little things. I mean, it makes the same thing, right? Let's make it. You can pick whatever color you like, and whenever you like. You can also put some decorations like this, and you have to have the hook, like these hooks. Not the S, but these. I'm trying to find the hooks that are clearly, okay, loose, okay. Found the hook. Have to have these hooks, or unless you cannot plug these babies in, like these Totally. So, yes, let's get started right now. Greens, okay, green. Perfect. I think that's enough green for us. And I need a little bit of yellow. What's the blue doing there? Oh well. And green. Blue and white. Woohoo! Pretty. Oops, why there's a black in here? Okay. We are gonna get started. Okay, first I'm gonna get the tools. Okay, I'm gonna wear these tools. Okay, first we do an X on the first rubber band. And then you do an X just like first step. Just like this, you just have to flip it like this. Come on, rewind. Like this. You have to exit before you do a straight line. It will make a straight line. And then you just straight out. And this is the part that you want to, see. Step 2, you just have to slip that in. But not with an X on it, okay? Now we just have to put down, and then we need to put it down. Oh, I mean, you need to put this up here, like this. Then you put it down. Repeat the same thing and all over again.
2,000 years.
Perfect. Sorry for that. Okay, now it's time for after green, yellow. You can choose whatever color you like. There we go. Now just hook it with this tool. If you want to use fingers, you can like this. Also use your fingers for a minute. Wait a second, okay? I'm gonna straighten it down. Okay. Now, perfect. Now you have a braid like this. Okay. Now we begin with the color that you repeat. Or you can do rainbow, just go rainbow. If you want to do rainbow, go rainbow. Anyway, I'm gonna go like this. And then just put it down a little bit up there. Wait, this is hooking. There we go. Perfect. Up there. Now we are gonna do the same thing all over again. This is gonna be a long process, by the way. Yes, it's gonna be a very, very long process, kinda. Okay, now we are almost done, but whatever you might use, please just try to measure it so it stays the same size. Bye guys! I hope you enjoyed this little masterpiece. Look at it! Look at it! It has a pigeon on it. It's so cute. And I forgot that you have to do a hook right there. Guys, and I'm gonna show you how to make rainbow looms like these and like these. So I'm already done with halfway, but it's still not very perfect. Still needs to be longer. So let's get started. Okay. This is awesome. It's getting longer and longer and longer. Oh, that's a great song. And longer and longer and longer. Oh yeah, this is awesome. Okay, I think that's done. And you guys wanna see how further is your hand? So if you're gonna make this but some of your friends or some of your families or friends, you have to make it quite as their size as possible. So yeah. So I'm gonna repeat the same thing over and over again like this, and then whoop, that's awesome. Look how close I am. Yeah, just kidding. It's not closed. Wait for a minute, guys. Pause this for a minute. Blurry. Okay. Now, let's get started.